So in this video I will discuss how to autofit column in Excel. Autofit means, suppose if you are writing something like this, suppose just I mention Ramesh. Okay, this is fit in this column. Suppose here I am writing there is a mango. Okay, for this you have to double click on this, then it will become autofit. Autofit means just resize the width of column according to your text. Suppose here I am writing Indian is. Okay, for autofit just you have to double click. Suppose I am mentioning here India is a big. Okay, so this text is not filled in this column. For this you have to double click on this. So I have a solution. Without clicking, without doing anything, you can make it your column as a column fit. Only you have to write a text and your column will be fit according to that length of that particular text. So how you can do it? Just see it. Firstly you have to click on the sheet. Okay, right click on the sheet. When you right click on the sheet, you find various options. Now you have click on view code. Okay, when you click on the view code, a pop-up will be open. On here you can see by default there is a general. So you have to change as a worksheet. As soon as you click on worksheet, a function will be automatic generated. Now what you have to do? You have to write cells dot entire column. If you want to autofit row, so you can select the row, but here we are discussing about column, that's why I am selecting column. So entire column dot, and there is a various option. You have to select autofit. Okay, now just close this function. Okay, now open your Excel sheet. Now write anything. Suppose here I am writing India is a big. Okay, now see what happened. As soon as I click somewhere, this column is automatically autofit. Suppose here I am writing in this column Ram. Here you can see now this column is autofit. Here suppose the knowledge. Now this column is autofit. So everything is happening automatically. I am not double clicking on this particular line. So by using this method you can make your column autofit in Excel. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.